Hey everyone, I'm Claire from SEWTECH. If your thread keeps coming out from the needle after trimming, today we'll show you how to fix it. If this happens once in a while, it can be normal. But if it happens often, you should check the following. First, look at the tail of the thread after it's trimmed. If the thread end is clean, the needle is properly fine. If the thread end looks messy or frayed, there may be a problem with the needle. Check whether the problem happens on only one needle or on other needles too. If it only happens on one needle, the problem is likely with that needle, its threading or its tension setting. Replace the needle with a new one. Install it correctly, making sure it's fully inserted and facing the correct direction. Next, make sure the thread passes correctly through all thread gates. Then check the upper thread tension for that needle. Sometimes, if the upper tension is too tight, it can pull the thread back after trimming. If the tension is too tight, slightly loosen it. If the same problem happens on several needles, then the thread trim length may be too short. It means the automatic thread trimmer cuts the thread too close to the needle. The remaining thread tail won't be long enough to catch the bobbin thread when embroidery starts again. As a result, the thread can come out of the needle. Solution: open the needle and go to Settings. If a password prompt appears, enter 823456 and then select Machine Configuration. First, click here. Next, tap here. Select the trim option. Then look for the length of trim and increase the trim length by 1 and test the machine. If the problem is still there, increase it by 1 again and test once more. Now test the machine and check if the problem is solved. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and share it. See you next time.